welcome to my channel. It's your girl Evelyn and Chanel here, and I am back with another video. So of course today I'm just gonna be showing y'all an easy way. This is for my beginner girls, you know, my girls who are just now getting into makeup and stuff. So I'm gonna be showing y'all an easy way to create like a wing liner, as well as how to apply your lashes. So it's really simple, really easy, and I certainly hope it helps. But of course, before we get into the video, if you haven't subscribed to the vibe, go ahead and subscribe. I don't know what you're waiting on, and don't forget to give a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, leave a comment, all that good stuff, okay? All right, so without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, y'all, so I know I look a little crazy right now. That's really because I don't have on no lashes, right? So of course this video is showing y'all the easiest way, and this is for beginners, because I'm sure like my advanced people, y'all probably already know how to apply lashes and whatever, blah, blah, blah. You know, that's all cool, and you know, that's all cool or whatever. But so today I'm gonna show y'all how to apply your lashes, right? So first things first, I would say create like a wing liner, but let me just show y'all what y'all need first, right? Okay, so you're gonna need some liquid eyeliner, or any eyeliner of your choice, really. You're gonna need some lash glue, and you're gonna need your lashes of choice. Okay. All right, so first, what I'm gonna do is show y'all how to do the winged liner, which is gonna be a real simple wing liner, but I feel like this is beginner friendly as well. Normally I can't show y'all how I want to show y'all, because normally I use tape, so you can't always use tape, but today I had already did my makeup and stuff, so today we're gonna be, you know, we just gonna do what we gotta do, okay? So to show y'all how to do my liner though, I'm gonna be using this what you call these things, index card, okay? So I'm gonna be showing y'all this index card, or I'm not gonna be showing y'all this index card, but I'm gonna show y'all how to create my wing liner using this index card, okay? Okay, so we looking a little bit better, like we coming through with the come through. All right, so next what you want to do is get your lash glue that I was telling you about. So I'm using the duo, this is the black one, so this is the brush on adhesive. It says with vitamins, but it's the dark one, and you could use clear if you want to. You don't have to use dark, but this is the one I'm using today because I couldn't find my other one. So the dark duo, and then, you know, that's after you get your liner to your desired liking. And then I'm going to take, you know, my mascaras of choice, which I use 2 mascaras. You don't have to, you can just use 1 if you like. But now I'm gonna show y'all like how to apply the also how simple and easy it's gonna be to apply. Also, you want to get some tweezers, right? So I got my these are like some curved tweezers. I don't know if y'all can really tell, but yeah, they curved. So I like these to apply my lashes with, and I'm gonna show y'all how I apply my lashes. So I really like to start off first by applying the lash glue. And like I said, I'm gonna show y'all. Okay, so like I just showed y'all, just apply the lash glue on top of like your liner. Follow your liner and it'll make it easier for you, right? So next, I'm taking, again, my mascaras of choice. It's the BUXOM, I always say BUXOM, but it's BUXOM mascara, and then my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I'm gonna apply my BUXOM first, and then I'm gonna apply my my Too Faced. And as I'm applying my mascara, my lash glue is getting tacky, so it'd be easier to set and place my lashes. Okay, next, take your lash of choice and you just apply it, pop it right on top of there. So it's just gonna stick, okay? And I'm using my spiky lashes. Yeah, and I'm just gonna apply it right like where I applied that glue. That trick from Beast by Dead. And again, like I said it before, but y'all need to watch her because she comes with makeup too, and she has her own products, so shop with her. But yeah, that's that. I just wanted to show y'all like an easier way. This is for my girls who are just now getting into makeup, or my girls that struggle with putting on lashes, because I ain't gonna lie, the first time, I'm gonna tell y'all, so the first time I started putting on lashes, I had actually like poked myself in the eye and with some tweezers, right? But I've learned a lot since then. So that's a little easier trick for my girls who are trying to like apply the lashes. It's easy. Well, for me, I think it's easier like if you apply the glue first and then put it on there. You can do it on the glue, but I feel like it's just easier if you apply the glue first and then pop it on. So yeah, I'll list everything that I use down in the description below. I certainly hope y'all enjoyed this video. I do want to say thank y'all so much for watching and supporting, and I hope y'all have a great rest of your week, great rest of your day, all that good stuff. Okay, I love y'all, love y'all, love y'all, love y'all.